On the district website, there are 3 different calendars, and today we're going to be going over how to find each one of them. If you head to the district website, waylandunion.org, and scroll down, you will see a button that says Calendar. This is the one-page district calendar that will open up as a PDF. This has all of the important dates that pertain to the entire district, such as the first and last day of school, any breaks, and the beginning and end of trimesters. If we hit the back button to go back to the website and scroll up, you'll see a button with 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Click on that and then click on District and Building Calendars. This calendar shows the individual events that each building is hosting. You can select calendars to choose all the buildings or just a specific building if that's what you're interested in. If you click on an event, it'll give you more details such as the time, the date, the location, and for Fine Arts Center events, it'll also give you the YouTube link if it's being live streamed. You're able to navigate throughout the months by clicking the arrows or by clicking on the month drop-down tab. There is also the option to change the view of the calendar. From here, if you click on the events, it'll give you the same details that it did in the other format as well. The last calendar can be found by going to Departments, and then Buildings and Grounds, and then Facilities Calendar. This calendar shows all the events and all the spaces being utilized in the district, even if they are not district events. We hope you found this tutorial on where to find our calendars helpful. Have a great day, Wildcats!